Bonjour, I'm Hina from evidyati.in and in this session we'll learn how to say to be early in French. So to be early in French is tout or tu es tout, which means you are early. So to be early in French में to be early को हम tout बोलते हैं. So tu es tout will be you are early. Okay. We'll start with to be early as être. So, to be early as can be être and it can be avoir also. We'll start with the être. Être en avant. Être en avance, which means to be early with the verb être. For example, I am early. I am early. So, it will be je suis en avance. Je suis en avance. En avance because we use the être and suis because the être conjugation with the pronoun je. So, je suis en avance. And it can be arrive en avance or arrive avec de l'avance. So, to be early can be arrive en avance and arrive avec de l'avance with the verb être, which is to be. For example, I was early for work. I was early for work. So it will be je suis arrive en avance au travail. Je suis arrive en avance au travail. So I am early for the work. Travail means to work and en avance means early. Je suis arrive is I was early for the work. Next is to be early with the verb avoir. Avoir is a verb which means to have. So je suis with avoir will be avoir de l'avance. Avoir de l'avance. So it will be I am early, the same phrase we used earlier. J'ai de l'avance. J'ai de l'avance. The avoir verb and de l'avance is because we use the avoir with the to be early. Next is to be early with the expression. When we are talking about the expression or in the informal way, to be early can be tout. Tout. So, I am early can be je suis toute. Je suis toute. Or I wake up early will be je me lève toute. Lève means to wake up. Je me lève toute. And the opposite of toute, which is late, will be tard. So toute and tard, early and late. So to be early with être is en avance or arrive en avance, arrive avec de l'avance. Or with the avoir, it will be de l'avance, and with the expression and the informal way, it will be toute. If you want to revise or this example once again, you can download from the link below. Merci, à bientôt, c'est fini.